Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wished you could clone yourself just to keep your floors clean, you're going to love this. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus robot vacuum and mop isn't just another gadget, but a real problem solver for busy homes. Quick note, the full article is linked in the description and also pinned in the first comment. Don't miss it. Now let's dive in, because after hearing what this little powerhouse can do, you'll never look at your dusty floors the same way again. So what makes this robot vacuum and mop combo different? First, it actually does what most of us don't have time for: daily cleaning without the stress. I've owned other robot vacuums, and let's be real, they felt more like needy pets than helpers, always getting stuck and asking for attention. The Q7 M5 Plus cleans in neat rows, never misses spots, and navigates around furniture like it belongs here. The smart mapping technology is one of my favorite features. It builds a map of your home, and from the app you decide which rooms to clean, set schedules, and create no-go zones. Imagine telling your robot, skip the bathroom today, or don't touch the kids' or play area, and it just listens. That's convenience, but also peace of mind. Now let's talk pets. If you've got furry friends, you know the struggle. Fur on tiles, rugs everywhere. I have a long-haired cat, and honestly, this Roborock has been a game changer. The self-emptying dustbin means I'm not constantly bending down, and the anti-tangle design actually handles long hair. Mine and my cat, IS. Without me cutting it out of the roller brush every week. That alone saves me so much time. And yes, the combo of vacuum suction and mopping mode is perfect for daily messes. Don't expect it to replace a professional cleaning service, but for crumbs, dust, and muddy paw prints, it's fantastic. I walk barefoot on white tiles without stepping on grit, and that's priceless. Bonus, it is so quiet compared to my old Roomba that I sometimes forget it is even running. Of course, no product is flawless. The app was a little confusing at first, but once I figured out dividing rooms and setting cycles, it became second nature. Battery life is decent, about 100 square meters on a full charge, but it can usually vacuum and mop in one go for large homes. And yes, it would be nice to get a water tank alert. Still, these are small issues compared to everything it does right. Where it really shines is value for money. Similar vacuums with smart mapping and self-emptying can cost up to 4 times as much. For the price, the Q7 M5 Plus delivers the perfect balance of power, convenience, and durability. After nearly a year of daily use, mine still works like new, which says a lot. If you live in a house with multiple floors, it can sometimes get a bit confused switching maps, but with setup, it still performs well. And those customizable no-go zones? Absolute lifesaver for blocking delicate areas or messy spots you don't want cleaned. For homes with pets, kids, or constant cooking, it doesn't promise perfection, but it absolutely delivers peace of mind and consistent cleanliness. To wrap it up, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus robot vacuum and mop feels like outsourcing one of the most annoying chores to a reliable helper that never complains and always shows up. If you're tired of pet hair, crumbs, and mopping, this is the mid-range robot that feels premium without the premium price. And let's be honest, the less time we spend cleaning, the more time we get for everything else. So if you've been debating an upgrade, this might be the sign you needed. Remember, the full article with more specs and tips is linked in the description and first comment. Don't forget to hit like if you've ever wished your vacuum could just work smarter instead of harder, because same. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.